한숨 같던 하루 끝 허기를 달래려 잠이 드는 아이들의 기도가 들려오네.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma. Today's video I'm going to be sharing some cleaning motivation for you guys. So we're starting off here in my room. I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up my bed. It's been a little while since we woke it up. My husband went off for work. I did pack his lunch, made his coffee. The kids are already up getting ready. I'm ready for the day. So now it's time to make my bed now that my bed had time to air out. And then after this, I do have a blanket on our chair inside the room that I do need to fold and put that away. And then I'm also going to be straightening out the bathroom. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
한마디 말이 위안이 될 리 없지만 곁에 있을게. 또 다른 내.
Now moving on here in the bathroom, the only thing I'm going to be doing is just wiping like where the toilet paper rolls go, because that thing gets so dusty from the toilet papers. We do use the toilet paper from Costco. I don't know if it's just excuse me, I don't know if it's just like from that brand or what, but it does get super dusty, like all of that toilet paper fluff or something all over the place. So I went ahead and quickly wiped that down, added some rolls here. The rest of the rolls are going to be for the kids' bathroom. And then I did wipe the bathroom, like the toilet. I did that off the camera. I don't know, I just don't find it pleasing to share on the video. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the counter as well.
You've got me questioning my position. Am I just filling out?
Now by this time I have came back home from dropping off the kids at school and the school bus, and I've had my breakfast. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly tidy up here in the living room. I've shared in Instagram when I rearranged our living room. So I did move the sofa more forward, and then I had this piece here that I removed and added it over here. So there's like a little walkway in the back. I was indecisive. I wanted to just leave it like that and leave room to be like have a walkway, which we can always come out through the front of the sofa as well, or add a table. But after so many weeks, I'm going to say probably a month, I have finally found a table. I actually got it for free off of Facebook Marketplace, and I did add it to the back of the sofa. I don't know if it's a little bit too small, but I will share that in an upcoming video with you guys. So now what we're going to do is just focus on cleaning the table, the coffee table. Then, of course, I have to light my candle. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the table over here on the side, like this round side table. And then I have my shoes from dropping off the kids here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that away. And then I'm going to fix the curtain, and then we're going to go ahead and quickly sweep our floors.
I know my worth, but it's this game chasers. Not hers, not mine, or even his. We are prisoners in this. Time and time again, we all pretend. Break the spell. I'ma be the one to tell.
So I still get asked a lot about my bar stools. I did do a whole unboxing review video when I received these. They are from Amazon, but I will go ahead and link them in the description box down below for you guys, as well as the video. So now that the living room is nice and tidy up, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the kitchen. The kitchen is a little bit of a chaos. So we're just going to go ahead and start putting stuff where it belongs. And then I'm going to be rearranging a couple of items. And then I have more Christmas idea gifts for you guys coming up real soon. So I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. Let me know if you guys are the type of people that start doing Christmas shopping by now. We are in October, so Christmas is just pretty much right around the corner.
I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I looked out and I saw the rain. I wanna.
So first item up with wood, which I think would make a great Christmas present, is these pans that are from Costco. I got them for like $24. I know you can also purchase them online. I think they're a little bit more expensive than the sale they are at Costco, but it does come with two of them. I had originally purchased one set a few weeks back, and I loved the way they cook. I could make over easy eggs so simply. It just easily slides and everything. So when we were in Costco, I went ahead and picked up another set. Like I mentioned, they are $23, $24, and they do come in three different sizes. So it's the 12-inch, the 10-inch, and of course the 8-inch. And then another item that is also a great Christmas gift is this set of plates and bows from Costco. They do have multiple colors online, but at the store they only have this sage green color that I have, and of course like an ivory beige color. And as you can tell, plates are nicely packaged, so I was kind of concerned if they were going to end up having like cracks or broken pieces or something that I was going to have to return. And to my surprise, every single dish was nicely packaged, that we had no broken ones. So this is like more of the pasta plate. It's really big in my opinion. So if you serve yourself pasta, it's like you have so much in there, like you get full and you don't even finish it. And then of course the second one you can see there is like the small serving plate, and then this one is the bigger dinner size plate. And I'm just layering them so you can see the different of the sizes. So I did it with the pasta plate, now I did it with the big plate. And then this is the bowl, like the cereal bowl or like the little soup bowl. And as you can tell, I'm layering it with the smaller plate so you guys could go ahead and get an idea. But I thought these would also make a great Christmas present. So once again, don't forget to check out your Costco online or in the store, because I think these are a really good present for whoever you guys are searching for. It could be a family member, a friend, a teacher, or whatever, just that special person, or even for yourself. And as well as the pans, they are just a plus. Like, I love them. I had the Beautiful by Drew pots and pans, and after trying these Costco pans, I immediately got rid of my Beautiful by Drew pans, and I just kept the Costco ones. But we went ahead and quickly washed the plates. I had also washed the pans. Those are in the dishwasher, air drying of course. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to wiping down the counters.
Outside my window, is everything pale and cold? Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too
here while I'm finishing wiping down the counters, I just want to take the moment to introduce myself to anybody who is new and explain the little difference in the name of my channel. So if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I've always shared about my home, and home decor is my main thing, but I also share little parts of cleaning motivation, of course, because, well, I always clean and there's always cleaning needed. So if I can motivate anybody, I will try my hardest to pull out a video to motivate you guys like I'm doing today. But lately I did switch up my name. I still have kept it as Irma, and I found a new hobby that I've been really enjoying, and is more of my garden, and like my vegetable garden as well as my plants. So I just went ahead and add home and garden. So my new channel name, you guys will see that it appears as Irma Guzman Home and Garden, because that's the things that I'm sharing with you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and mention that. And of course, if you guys are new over here on my channel, of course, my name is Irma and I live in California, and I am a now stay-at-home mother of 4 since I recently stopped working at Burlington. I really do miss working there. I'm not gonna lie. It's just, I don't know. I just needed to be home. Probably in a future video I could explain a little bit more and stuff like that. But for now, I'm just gonna be home, focusing back on my home, my kids, my YouTube channel, and of course all of that. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to finish cleaning up. I did rearrange 2 shelves there of that cutting board wall that we had there, and now I'm just sharing all of the afters with you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't click away quite yet, because I do have one more Christmas item that could work even for your grandfather, your husband, an uncle, any male person in your family, which is this beautiful Cigar humidifier. So it comes with this squeeze bottle, and you just have to fill it up with the water. Then it has like the basket shelf and then the 2 layers of like bamboo shelves. And we don't have any cigar smokers here in our family, but I really thought it would also work out really cool for like drinks. So as you can tell on the bottom one, I did add like my poppy drinks, and then on the top I did like add like the kids size Gatorade bottles for the kids, just to give us some more space in our refrigerator. So I went ahead and added it into this little mini fridge, and I just thought it looked so cute, especially with the lights on. It's so cute. The kids enjoyed always having to go to this little fridge to open up for their drinks. But that's going to be all for today's video. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around to the end. And I will leave a couple of links down below for you guys, and I hope to see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.